In this video, I'm going to show you how to use indicators in Expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your chart, you want to go down to the very bottom, just above this cell button, where you can see this icon, and when you hover over it, it's going to say indicators. Just click on that, and it's going to open up the indicators, and then you have two tabs. The first one is new, so this is basically where you can see all the available indicators, and then added, this is where you can see all the current indicators you are using on your chart, okay? So let's now go ahead and add an indicator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add Bollinger Bands over here, for example. Of course, you can do whichever one you want and however many you want. So I'm gonna click on that, and then here, always you'll be able to select different metrics over here, and of course, change different things in here, change the colors as well, and after that, you'll be able to press confirm. And when you do this, you'll be able to see that specific indicator on your chart. You can click back down again, and it's now inside your added indicators. You can then go ahead and click on this icon, which is the pen icon, to actually change different metrics, or you could just click on this X button to actually remove it, okay? So if you want to add multiple, you will just have to, for example, go ahead and keep on pressing confirm on many of them, and then they'll be added over here, and you can clear them all at once. So that's how you use them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.